Hi everyone! Today I will show you how to crochet a very simple bow. This pattern is beginner friendly and basically anyone who has a hook and yarn should be able to do it. So let's get started. What you will need is yarn, scissors and a crochet hook. I'm using 3mm hook. So you will start off by doing the magic ring. So you will wrap the yarn around your fingers so that it forms an X on one side and two parallel lines on another. Then you will put your hook underneath, pull it through, twist and pull the yarn through. So this is your magic ring. From now on you will chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5. What you will want to do now is basically make 7 treble crochets. So that means you will need to yarn over twice. And then pull your yarn through every 2 loops. So just like this. 1. Again, yarn over twice. 2. Again, yarn over. 3. 4. 5. 6. And 7. So what you will want to do now is chain 5 again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and do the slip stitch in magic ring. So here. So yarn over and pull the loop through the chain. Now you will repeat the same steps. So chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and again do 7 treble crochets in the magic ring. So yarn over twice, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the last one 7. So again you will want to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and do the slip stitch in the magic ring. So here, yarn over and pull through the stitch. So what we will do now is cut the yarn. Make sure to leave the tail a bit longer. So do another slip stitch. So yarn over, pull through the loop. So And what we will want to do is close our magic ring. So we will pull off this yarn, basically just fasten off your yarn. So once that's done, you can either leave it this way, or you can actually make it look a bit more like bow and just wrap your yarn around in the middle. I personally like this look a bit better, and then tie a knot. So. You can readjust it just to make it look the way you want. And this is it. This is your bow. You can use it for like different hair accessories or projects like bags. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time. Bye!